Up close and personal, I would love to introduce you to former Dawn hosts, and they've been on the screen for a long time. One of them, actually has even done a talk show, I believe, as well. And one of them is also a chef. Agar maine abhi already sansani-khez nahi kiya and you guys haven't figured it out already, let me introduce them to you. I'd love to introduce you to our first guest on set, jinka naam hai Arooj Abbas. She's a chef and a TV host. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, and it's surreal being back.
Of course.
मजा आ रहा है.
मजा आ रहा है, good. And for a change that you are actually a guest and not a host.
It's really nice being a guest.
It's nice being
being a guest.
And I'd love to introduce you to our second guest, jinka naam hai Naveen Naqvi. She's an actress and a podcast host. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. And Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak to you too. You guys are looking ravishing, very nice, all set for Eid. And I like how it's coordinated as well.
Yes. We planned this.
We planned. Oh, you did?
We planned it. This was days of planning.
Oh, wow. All right. So, you guys have both actually worked at Dawn as well. And, Arooj, I'll start with you first. आप पहले ये show host कर रही थी, right? And how do you feel? I mean, generally...
It's like, it really, सबसे ज़्यादा जो सब मुझे odd लग रहा है कि सब ज़ुहैब या कासिम मेरे कान में बातें नहीं कर रहे. I'm like, something's missing, what's missing? And I was like, okay, because I can't hear somebody in my ear.
Of course.
But beyond that, it's really nice being a guest. It's no pressure.
No pressure at all, absolutely.
Relaxing.
What about you, Naveen? You were there since English times, right?
That's right. In fact, I was just asking Arooj, what was your intro? Because mine was, hello and welcome to Dawn News. I'm Naveen Naqvi.
And what was yours?
Mine was Assalamu Alaikum Pakistan. Welcome to Chai Toaster host, और मैं हूँ Arooj Abbas.
How lovely, how lovely. I think आपका एक बन जाता है, And what would you say to people when you come back from break?
Welcome back from the break.
Yes. Do you even remember?
I think it was welcome back from the break, and we are doing this.
Yeah. Welcome back from the break. I'm Naveen Naqvi, and
nice.
You're watching Dawn News.
So Naveen, your show was a lot more serious, right? I believe you were doing, you were covering news as well, journalism as well for a while in between, or was it just?
Yeah, no, that was it was a serious breakfast news show.
News show, right?
Yeah, so we did the news. We opened with a news segment, and then we had guests also who were commentators on the news and so on. So काफी संजीदा किस्म की
संजीदा किस्म की बातें होती थी. Arooj got to play around a little more with it.
I think मैंने बहुत संजीदा बातें करी हैं. But by large and far कम करी हैं. और I think it was mostly more fun and more. Much like yours.
Of course, yeah, absolutely. No, it definitely makes sense. Beach mein, I had to cover the war zone for a while. And I have to say that I was very overwhelmed for a second, but then it was good. I mean, comfort level se bhi aapko thoda comfort zone se bhi bahar nikalna chahiye, right? So, guys, how are you planning to celebrate Eid, Arooj? What about you?
So, this year is the first time that I'm actually in town for Badi Eid.
And what about you?
मैं तो अपनी ईद फैमिली के साथ गुजार रही हूँ. Like we have a lunch.
Lovely.
इसमें my brothers are there and my nephews, one is 7, one is 4, so it's like really adorable.
How nice.
Full cuteness overload.
Do you give Eid to your nephews?
I do, of course.
Of course you do. I was just talking about how बड़ी ईद पे लोग मांग लेते हैं.
देते हैं नहीं देते.
मैं तो मांग लेती हूँ भाई.
हम तो देते हैं. हाँ मैं भी मांग.
मुझे भी मांग पड़ती है वैसे. I am like मुझे मिलती अब बहुत कम लोगों से है. So whoever is watching, I hope कि मुझे इस दफा
we make sure guys सब Arooj की फैमिली वाले उनको ईदी दें इस दफा, right?
मैं तो अपने अब्बू से डिमांड करती हूँ. हाँ, और वो शर्मिंदा से थोड़े से सियानिया से मुझे कहते हैं कि अच्छा now what? You know how old you are? Okay, sure.
Oh, how cute. No, but listen, we're never old enough to receive Eid. Are we?
Never.
No, never.
मैंने तो भाई अपनी 16 साल के बाद एज कितना छोड़ दी.
Have you aged after that? What do we know?
Not at all.
Acha, so any special menu that you have for lunch?
So I am actually invited for Eid lunch every year, whether it's Choti Eid, Badi Eid, in my in-laws.
Okay.
And luckily, dinner is at my mother's. So I'm sorted.
How nice. But to say you're a chef, Arooj, so are you cooking something special for your family?
No. I am not.
Nice.
Cha-ching, no.
But if you could, what would you?
If I could, I would probably on this Eid not do a meat dish. I know it's unpopular. I feel like बहुत ज़्यादा होती है.
बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
So I'd probably do like a cauliflower steak or something.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Cauliflower steaks sounds interesting.
So I'd probably do something like that.
And
like
that's healthy as well.
Yeah, vegetarian.
Is it like a smashed? Like do you?
No, you don't smash. You cut the cauliflower vertically, and then you season it like a steak, and you cook it exactly how you'd cook a steak. Obviously, it cooks faster.
Oh wow. We should call you for a segment for that.
Yes.
Just to make the cauliflower steak for us. And what about you, Naveen? Are you fond of cooking?
I love cooking. Actually, I'm a very good cook.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I used to bake also. Yeah.
How interesting. So are you making something for lunch?
And I am not. But
I like that.
Yeah, I'm going to maybe order
when was the last time you
or
cooked something for your family?
That's it. The last thing I made was, I made all these really involved cakes and so on, and like, seasonal fruit. Uske saath those, like a bund cake. So wo main banati hu.
Oh, how interesting! Yeah, how interesting! And are you a baker as well, though?
I bake. But I'm not. It's not what I'm fond of, because baking is a precise science.
It is.
It's a lot of measuring and stuff, and I'm more of those.
No, but listen, that works brilliantly, by the way. For people that works for, I think that's great. हम बात कर रहे हैं बहुत ही lovely two beautiful ladies who've actually been hosts at Dawn before, and I'm getting to speak to them. And Naveen, your journey has been so interesting if you think about it in a way. Serious show karte karte, you moved into dramas, you did modeling, you did acting, you did a whole bunch of things, and now you're doing podcasts as well, right? And I really love the fact that Aapa Shamim is one show that I heard a lot about. That's something I've been wanting to watch as well, Intaha and Neem Se Mohabbat. So where do you see yourself now? How were these shows received, and where do you see yourself now?
Thanks for asking me that. Actually, they were really well received. Like,
माशाल्लाह.
हाँ, बहुत एक तो मज़ा भी बहुत आया उसको करने में, क्योंकि सेट पे बहुत मज़े के लोग थे. तो हम लोग backstage, I mean behind the scenes हम लोग गाने भी गा रहे हैं, शेरो शायरी भी हो रही है, अरशद महमूद हैं, बेओ हैं, just lots of really fun people. So it was a big hit. Very happy about that. Like over 1 million views on YouTube. It's that kind of thing. So और अब आने वाला है मेरा drama Dil Darya.
Oh wow!
So I'm excited about that also.
Well, is it a serious? Dil Darya sounds serious.
Dil Darya is a drama, and it is serious. और वो है मतलब 8 PM वाले slot में होगा हम TV पे. So I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but if you do, so you've seen that I'm holding a shotgun in one of my stories. So that's what you're looking forward to.
Oh wow, how interesting!
Doing like the whole like.
Are you a warrior woman? Are you a warrior woman in that?
You can see and find out.
Oh wow, how interesting! How interesting. And Aruj, what are your plans?
First of all, I don't mind being held up by gunpoint. अगर ऐसा कोई बंदा कहे कि मोबाइल चाहिए,
लीजिए
आपका मैं भी चलती हूँ साथ.
आप यूं ही ले लें.
ऐसे ले लें, बंदूक नहीं चाहिए. But I have recently, to answer your question, bought a restaurant.
Oh, how interesting!
So yes, it's called Italia. It's a pizza place. And I am working on developing a menu. I mean, there is a menu. I'm expanding the menu and making some changes and changing the location of the restaurant and hiring staff. So, अगर आप chef business में आना चाहते हैं, तो please contact us.
How lovely! How lovely! That's amazing. And it's actually going to just feature Italian food, or is it going to be different cuisines?
So the thing.
Are we going to get the papaya salad there?
No.
Oh.
Unfortunately, you will not get a papaya salad, but you will get a brezola salad, a salad with burrata. You will get lots and lots of like a chopped sandwich. You know that viral TikTok. So that's the other thing. This social media is nuts, huh? हर दफा थोड़े दिनों में कोई एक वायरल हो जाती है टिकटॉक शिकटॉक की, और मेरे पास बच्चे मुझे भेज रहे होते हैं ये बिकेगा, ये Instagrammable. Now as a chef, as a commercial chef, you have to think about कि भाई ये तस्वीर खींचने में, the whole thing. People actually come to the restaurant, and I swear, like people are taking pictures, and I'm like, आपका खाना ठंडा हो रहा है, don't care.
Yeah, of course.
उन्हें भी.
Yeah, but that happens. Yeah, of course. That does happen. That's like a normal thing now.
No, but as a chef, it's very frustrating for me to watch,
because I'm like, make a rule in your restaurant कि phone
खाओ.
not allowed. Phones are not allowed.
Yes.
You know, there are a lot of places in Dubai that don't allow the phone.
Is that right?
I've lived there for so many years.
So yeah, there are restaurants where they tell you
Phone allowed.
Imagine it was 19.
And not just that, अगर आप
so
अपना
glad.
कैमरा भी लेके जाओ तो they make you delete those pictures कि आपने क्यों ली, you know.